Lacey, show your hands.
Bodycam Legal Analysis, Federal Way Police Department, Federal Way, Washington, May 2, 2025. A woman under an active civil protection order forced entry into her parents' residence and destroyed property. Officers responded, negotiated, and executed a controlled arrest. At 3 charges filed under Washington state law. Violation of protection order, RCW 265011, criminal 7 shame 0 received, RCMSUS 9A769. At legal framework applied, 490 U.S. 36, 1989 Brigham City v. Stewart, 547 U.S. 398, 2006 Washington State, RCWAN CW 16.011 CW 20.171Z1 Sina.
She's destroying the house inside. We can hear her banging. We just came out here because I was afraid she would hit us.
Okay. So she's just throwing stuff around and breaking it?
I assume I'm too afraid to go.
Sorry, he's friendly.
He's afraid. I was too afraid to look, to be honest. I just hear her throwing stuff around.
Oh, gotcha. All right. And has she violated the order in the past?
No, she's been pretty good, but she was living in a sober living house, but then she got kicked out of there, and we're not sure what. The story's really sketchy from there, and I don't know what she's been up to. We got her a hotel to stay at for a while because she couldn't stay here, and then I don't know.
1132 PC order violation.
She showed up and asked if she could take a shower, but it didn't matter. I mean, she just pushed her way through the door, and I'm too small for her.
Are you willing to provide a recorded statement?
No.
Okay. Where is she at right now?
I
can hear her. Is she in that living room right there? Maybe.
Could be.
Does she know that? Does she know that?
I kept telling her I'm gonna call the police.
Okay, so she does know that the police are coming.
She doesn't know that we've called.
She doesn't know that we've called. No.
And nobody's inside?
No.
Okay.
Is there a door on the back side? It's on the back side?
The front of the house is in the back.
Okay.
We'll go to the front if you just want to hang back here.
I'll just watch this. You guys hang out there. Make sure you get solid PC. Figure out if it's misdemeanor, felony. And once we get more people here, we'll just work on getting her in custody.
Hands on TL? Does that work?
No, once more people get here, I'm going to rotate out and take over the dog side of it.
Okay, sounds good.
He was destroying the bathroom, so we just kind of sat there for a minute, and we both decided let's just go downstairs together. That's about when we closed your eyes.
Does she have access to the lock safe where the guns are at?
No. It's a safe lock.
Yes.
It's okay. Yes. So no, she can't.
Okay. Is this a felony?
Not so far.
Oh, wow.
Did you hear a record say something?
No, it's just we're getting SWAT out for this.
Yeah, I think it's just because it's the gun element.
Okay.
I probably wouldn't have done that either.
That's crazy.
So, at any point, did she assault either one of you?
No. She's on something. I don't know what. So I just hit record. She started saying, "You don't love me." She just started screaming all kinds of stuff that didn't even make sense. You could hear the recording. It doesn't make sense.
I remember this place.
I served the order.
Did you?
I was driving here. I was like, man, this looks real familiar for some reason.
Nice area.
Police officers, Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door.
Do you have her phone number, Woo?
No, that's why I said somebody should try to get her phone number and just call her to tell her to come outside.
That's what they're trying to do
Call her
now.
the first thing then.
Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out or force will be used against you. Police officers, Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door.
She didn't make any threats to harm you.
Oh, she did.
She did. What did she say?
I think she said, "I'll f*** you up." She called me a. She said,
Okay.
I'll come get you, bitch." I don't know. It just was so many things.
Besides,
at once that
besides her saying that she was going to you up, did she explain why? Explain how? Did she come at you at all?
no, she was still in the bathroom. Just like the door was shut. This door was shut between us as she was yelling this, and I just stayed away.
So she just said that though, like
Yeah.
she didn't come out, she didn't come at you, she didn't display any weapons. Okay.
Lacey, the Federal Way Police Department. We know you are inside. You are under arrest. We need you to come out the front of the house with your hands up.
Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door or force will be used against you.
But hey, real talk, don't talk, right? So let's try to, hey, you can look at the stuff and not look at me. So look down. There you go. Okay. It's not rude. I won't be offended. Let's try the soft touch of negotiation. So we've given the hard, hey, you're under arrest. We've covered ourselves legally. Let's give a little like, hey, Lacey, we're just trying to get your side of the story. Come out and talk to us. Like, we're just trying to make sure you're safe and that your parents are safe. See if we can schmooze her that way and try some other de-escalation-atory things.
Lacey, we just want to talk.
Like a calming voice.
Yeah.
You have one of those?
Come out. We just want to make sure everyone is safe.
That's as calming as Tommy gets.
A couple more rounds of PAs, a BP, try the phone call a couple times, a little bit more professional negotiation from the outside. If not, then breach and hold on the front, yell in there a whole bunch more, and then slow and deliberate till we get her.
We got a dog.
Yeah, is he good with biting her?
Yep. Oh, there she is. Hey, Lacey! Hey, just open the door so you can hear us. Just so we can talk. I can't hear you. Can you open the door? I can't hear you. Hey, just open the door so I can hear you. Hey, Lacey, just open the door for us so we can hear you. I'm trying to hear you. All right, here she comes. 833. Where is it? Oh, okay. Just slide the door open for me so I can hear you.
We have a clear shot from behind the bushes, so if she steps out, we're gonna just tase her, I think.
I think federally cops are what?
You're gonna get tased.
When my mom's gonna fuck you still?
Go, go, go. Go.
She's back in.
No, here. Just back off. She's back inside with the door closed.
I got one.
Okay.
She's sitting, or overtly non-compliant. Upstairs, we're just going to pounce on her. If she starts to retreat further, we're going to send her out. So let's try to clear our way to the stairs. Just going to clear to the stairs.
What about just going in the slider up there and just coming inside? Like on top of the one we got eyes on?
Level 1 upstairs slider, see if that's open, if that might be more direct.
Tim, standing up now at the front door, pressed against it.
Okay. We're moving.
My mom has been fucked. I'm sorry, did you hear that? Oh!
Lacey, show your hands or you're gonna get bit. Can you get around that side and just go straight on her? Lay down on the ground. Lay down on the ground. Lay down on the ground. There you go. Just stay right there. If you move, you're gonna get bit.
Wait, can I tell you what I did?
Stand up first.
Stand up.
We're going to stand you up. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
I love men.
Front door.
Tammy, because you don't know what a real is, little snitch ass little bitch. Yeah, that's right, Tammy. What's up? Why?
Want your stance real quick?
Why?
Oh, don't do that.
Why?
Don't do that.
Why?
That's the mover. Go. I got it. Okay.
Why? Because I like your haircut.
Can I put her in here?
Shut up, fool!
Here we go, right behind you.
Tammy!
Go all the way back here.
Tammy! Come on! I'm sorry, I didn't hear you speak.
All right.
Yeah, because you're a dumbass little.
You are okay.
Okay, Daddy.
Tristan, let him do it. Tell her what you're doing. Back your hands.
I'm sorry. My stepdad just told me to act because I'm not rushing. Wait.
Listen, you need to comply or your shoulders are going to get hurt, okay?
Why?
Tell her what you're doing. We don't want to hurt your shoulders.
I don't like you.
Okay. You need to hold still for the officers, okay, so they can check you.
Okay.
Get this all figured out.
That's a probe.
I don't like you.
I think Austin
You're
said
long.
1 or 2. Hey guys, you gotta keep better control of her than that. You cannot let her walk around like that, okay? We're gonna stay right here, Lacey. You're not gonna move till we finish the search.
Don't move.
Yep.
Tammy, you dumb.
Lacey, calm down.
I hate you, Will.
Lacey, keep your face back.
Dumb.
Hey, Lacey,
You don't know what a dumb is, do
Everything's being
you?
recorded, okay, Lacey?
You I don't like you.
Tommy, you done? Hey, Tommy. Make sure you do good search, okay? We're not in a hurry.
Tommy!
Take it in my spot so I can help you, okay?
Gorilla glue.
Okay. Are we good?
I think we're good.
Okay, that's good.
Tammy! Sorry,
We need
not
to put her
you!
in a car.
This car?
Yeah, that's fine. She double locked, you guys?
Yeah, she's double locked.
Great. Sit down, please, Lacey. Use your words.
Okay, yes, sir.
Handcuffs came off.
Okay.
You face away from me, Lacey.
Okay.
Okay. Put your hand behind your back, Lacey.
Yes, sir.
Pull her out.
Okay.
Yeah, then you gotta pull her out.
Fuck, why are you so sexy?
Come on out, Lacey.
Don't get it.
Keep her against the car. Lacey, we have to get you.
Lacey, stop.
Okay. Okay.
Lacey, stay where you are, okay?
Okay.
You just stand right there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Come on, T.
Put the other one first.
Just relax.
I am relaxed. Tell my mom to relax.
Let's get that hand.
Come on.
Lacey, please keep your hand behind your back.
Okay.
Just tighten down the finger.
Okay.
That's way too loose. That's why she got out.
I like Gorilla Glue.
Let's go.
Okay.
Lacey, put your foot down.
Feet against the car, Lacey. Don't let her out of that car. Lacey, it's staying up. Let me do it. And, oh, turn. Lacey, stop.
Okay.
You
Sorry, I
need
had
to
a
sit
poop
down,
point.
okay?
Okay, fine. Fuck. Jesus, asshole. Okay.
We're going to put her in this one.
Oh.
Don't spit, please. Yep.
We're going to go in this one so we can pull it through. Hey, stop. Lacey, get in the car. Get in the side so you can pull her. In the car,
Okay,
Lacey.
well, let me.
All right,
You
foot. Step in the car. Okay?
Oh, dude.
One step.
Thank you.
Put in.
Okay. Let it go. Let it go. I will get in my fucking self, you dumb rookie.
One step in.
Let them. They're just mad. They're just mad, Rogers. Ah!
Stop.
Sorry.
Ready, Austin? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Spit on you. I got some.
At Charge Schold. RCW 26 time protection order violation is a gross misdemeanor. If prior violations exist or if the conduct involves assault, the offense elevates to a Class C felony. Officers must establish this threshold on scene before arrest processing. Prior violation history determines which charging instrument applies, a determination that cannot be deferred to prosecutors alone. FCU 2. Brigham City v. Stewart, 2006. Officers may enter without a warrant when there is an objectively reasonable basis to believe property destruction is ongoing or an occupant faces imminent harm. Here, forced entry already occurred, destruction was audible from outside, and threats had been made prior to arrival. All three factors constitute exigent circumstances under Brigham City. FCU 3. Fifth Amendment. Parents' refusal to give recorded statement. The refusal is an absolute constitutional right. Officers correctly accepted it without coercion. Legal consequence. Probable cause must be built solely from officer observations, physical damage, audible destruction, and statements made by the subject upon contact. Defense counsel will target this evidentiary gap at trial. FCO 4. SWATment in a misdemeanor. Kent, Washington state law places no statutory restriction on SWAT deployment based on charge severity. The governing standard is the totality of risk, not the classification of the offense. That risk factors present: subject of unknown mental and chemical state, active property destruction, prior verbal threats, and confirmed firearms on premises, even inside a locked safe. At officers cannot confirm the status of a locked safe from outside. Under officer safety doctrine, presence of firearms elevates threat level regardless of whether the weapon is confirmed in hand. The SWAT request is legally defensible on this basis. SU5 Use of Force, Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Force is evaluated under objective reasonableness, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. At three-factor test. Severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject posed an immediate threat to officers or others, and whether the subject was actively resisting or evading arrest. At K9 deployed as a less lethal intermediate force option after repeated non-compliance. Washington standards require a verbal warning before K9 deployment. The warning was given. K9 used within accepted parameters under these facts. Use 6. RCW 10-20-000 Washington State Law and Post Standards require officers to use de-escalation techniques when safe and feasible. At documented compliance, multiple announcement cycles, attempted direct phone contact with the subject, and a supervisor-directed transition to empathy-focused negotiation before any entry was ordered. At the transition to soft-touch negotiation is not optional when a subject exhibits signs of mental health or substance crisis. It is a statutory obligation under RCW 10120.01. Failure to document it creates civil liability exposure.
So all these photos that I just took are going to get uploaded into the case, and that way it's all documented that way, okay? And then the lead investigating officer, I'm sure, will be in contact with you guys regarding kind of what's next at this point.
Okay. So as far as right now, did she go to jail or the hospital?
Actually, I'm assuming jail.
Okay.
But I'm not sure because I just got here.
Yeah. Well,
so,
I saw the ambulance, but I never saw her load up. So.
Yeah, I'm assuming jail.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions for me before I go?
No,
all right.
Appreciate it.
All right. I'm sorry this happens. Beautiful home though. Congratulations on retirement. I heard that you recently retired.
Yeah.
The woman was charged with violation of a protection order, criminal damage to property, and resisting arrest.
At Mental Co-Responder, PW 710515, criminal charges and involuntary psychiatric holds are not mutually exclusive under Washington law. Both tracks can proceed simultaneously. A hold authorizes detention up to 72 hours for evaluation when probable cause exists that an individual poses a likelihood of serious harm due to a mental disorder. Given the subject's presentation, evaluation upon booking is likely required. Lesson: departments with mental health co-responder programs are operationally obligated to deploy them when circumstances indicate a mental health or substance crisis. Failure to do so undermines both the outcome of the incident and the institution's use of force defense. EPSU 8, Criminal Ag Degree, RCW 9A4808, under 0950 degree. Gross misdemeanor second degree, 755,000 Class C felony. The degree is determined entirely by the documented dollar value of damage at scene. Lesson: scene photography and property valuation at the time of arrest are not administrative tasks. They are the evidentiary foundation that determines the severity of a criminal charge. Inadequate documentation directly limits prosecutorial options. At resisting arrest, RCW 9A 76.40, a person is guilty of resisting prevent or attempt to prevent a peace officer from making a lawful arrest. Gross misdemeanor, separate from the underlying protection order charge. Officer's grade. Plus legally sound at nearly every stage. Verified probable cause, correct charge threshold analysis, documented de-escalation, proper force and composure under sustained verbal provocation. At grade deducted for 1. Tactical positioning of at least one officer outside available cover during the negotiation phase. 2. Failure to fully mitigate the documentation gap created by the parent's Fifth Amendment refusal. Checked. Grade D. Willful violation of a served and active protection order. Active property destruction, prior verbal threats, sustained refusal of lawful commands across an extended negotiation. Noncompliance foreclosed every de-escalation option offered. Department. Grade B. SWAT request was tactically defensible. Grade reduced for failure to confirm whether the mental health co-responder program was considered for deployment, a gap that may have prevented arrest entirely. At legal lessons from this infant's end. Keys to many zero verse is threshold. 1. Must be me in circumstance, muslims circumstance. 2. Exegex must be stivity. 2. Exigence diplomatis entry requires not charge severity. 4. Fee is just for the communication. 3. 10-120 to 10 is legally non-negotiable. My 5. Sub. Matti 0 charge 0. 5. ITA evaluation.